It is time for arcade porn at home from China. Welcome to the Wicked Gamer and Collector, welcome back to the channel. And in today's video we are going to talk about arcade machine from China. I already did a review about it, and yeah, the TV box was the first review I made if it comes to full little arcade cabinets. I really love the TV box. It's tiny, it's cute, it's lovely. But I only got the green version. So, personally prefer the red one. So you must understand the TV box is more like, yeah, let's say a shell. Because you're getting this product, and the seller can make his own decision what he wants to stick in the machine or the shell. So this is the Pandora box 6S, so this is a Pandora key. I cannot recommend that one. Alright, the next one. This is pretty interesting. So for the people who want to have that extra experience or just want to put them somewhere for making money, you can buy the same machine, only a little bit different, with a coin system. I know in the software of Pandora box 5 there was a coin of a there was a coin system, so you can know how much bookkeeping, how much money you earned on the machine. Really funny that they bring out this version. So yeah, it's exactly the same at the back. The only difference, I really love this, but this is the only difference. Alright, the next one. This is more like the, I would say the mini, but it looks so cheap and fragile. I know a fellow YouTuber did a review about it, he loved it. Acrylic casing, I'm not a big fan of this, really not a big fan of this. And I love to have one, or don't get me wrong, I love to have one for my collection, but I will not put it on a convention or something like that and just play that everybody can play with it, because it's going to be damaged in transport for sure. Alright, and this is the first version, but as you can see here, they even putting a Raspberry Pi in it and selling it like this. The naughty Chinese, seriously, naughty boys, naughty. Alright, what do we have here? This is more like a full bar top. It's got a way bigger screen, 90 inches, 90 inches of fun, but 10K of games pre-installed. Let's see what they are selling within this one. And also this is the same story, that they have this shell. So they have a shell, they have a casing, and they stick, and they can just use a Pandora box and key or a Raspberry Pi. So yeah, and the next one is more of the same. This one got even, this one's the same, yeah. Note to myself, check it more often. But this one is more like the really old, authentic casing. I really love the Space Invader, what they did with it. Even got a Pac-Man. How cool is that? Decal is a little bit smaller if you ask me. Oh, and the coin is straight on the logo. Alright, that's freaking ugly. But you're getting the point, is more like this wooden casing like the old days. But yeah, as you can see here, and this is what I have a problem with these things. If I look at, let's say Marktplaats for example, and you want to buy an old or a new authentic arcade machine, checking out these prices, and you can buy new or used ones on Marktplaats. Yeah, there's not very interesting of buying here on AliExpress. The shipment is freaking way too expensive. Make it cheaper. So yeah, for the next one, this one is really cute. I really love this one. This is one of the things I have in my wishlist for a long time. Just wanted to talk about it with you guys. I really love this one. It feels like a home build. It's too tiny. I really love it. Let's see. How big is this thing? Really weird software on it. Really weird. Oh, game box. I must say I never had a Pandora box or something like with game box. I never had one. Really love to try out and review one in the future. And yeah, it seems to be that it comes with a 21 or 25 inch monitor. So it seems to be, see, this is pretty weird that there's no size of the cabinet itself. So that's pretty weird. Alright, next one. This one is really awesome. So you have this one you can fold open. That is really cool. So I think you need to remove the joystick itself. Let's see if I can show you a picture. I love to review this one. I really love to review it and check it out. But this is the same story again, all over again. You have, I think this is the Pandora key here, but we have this one that is selling it with the official 3E games for the Lord Box 5. So it's all a little bit of who is selling with what main board, and the price can be very different. This one is $168.99, this one is $117, $170, and this one is even more expensive, up to €200. But one thing is for sure, the Pandora Box 5 is unbeaten if you compare it a little with the key. So yeah, this was more like a chit chat video. I get up myself some green tea. Nice. And just wanted to show you, let me know what you think, and would you consider buying something like this, and which one is your personal favorite? I want to thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, hit the little bell, bing, bing, because you get notified for upcoming videos. So, have a nice day, stay strong, stay positive, and stay wicked.